In this video, I'm going to show you how to use image enhancement on images using CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up CapCut, I'm going to create a new project. Now from here, I want to import that image that you want to enhance. So I want to click on import. I'm going to choose this image here. This is quite an old photo of this lady playing a piano. So in order to make this or enhance this image, I'm going to drag this to my timeline, click on the image, and now on the right hand side where it says video, I'm going to scroll down and click on image enhancement, and it will say processing. So depending of the quality of your image, it might take longer or shorter. And yeah, just wait for that to process, and it'll say image enhance completed. And now if I have a look at that image, it has been improved quite a bit. So I'm going to escape out of that. So yeah, that's how to use image enhancement on CapCut PC. This is a pro version as well. So it's a pro feature inside CapCut. So if you don't have pro, you won't be able to use this, unfortunately. But I will leave a link in the description below how you can try a free 7-day trial of CapCut.